morning, young minds, respected Secretary Sir and beloved DCO Madam and my team members who has given a chance to go for online teaching. Dear students, how are you? Hope all are good because of pandemic situation of COVID. Be safe and go through online lessons and get good knowledge. So before explaining the concept, who am I have to introduce. So I am Sarada Devi, working as a TGT in AP Balayogi Gurukulam, Veljurti. So I want to tell about the 10th class topic, physical science. What's the chapter? Refraction of light on plane surfaces. So, in this, we have to learn about what is meant by refraction and refractive index and relative refractive index and Snell's law. These are the four concepts we are going to learn in this chapter up to for me. Next, before explaining what is meant by refraction, just you have some two activities in your textbook. What are those activities means? I want to tell just it's a glass, is it not? In this glass, if I place any coin inside, is it able to see? No, it is not able to see, is it not? So if I just place the lemon inside, you are able to see. But if I place some water inside, how it appears? Is it not? It is bigger in size. Yes. The same thing, if you just observe, this is a sanitizer. Inside the sanitizer liquid, one pipe will be there. How it look like? So, inside the liquid, the size of the pipe will be bigger in size, whereas above the sanitizer solution, the pipe will be smaller in size. But at the place where two things are going to be separated, on that place, how it the pipe will be look like. So, for these questions, why it is bigger in size and why not the coin will not be appear when water is not there. For these activities, we have to go for a property of light that we call it as refraction. So, what is meant by refraction? For this, we can get the answer for these activities. So, here one more activity is given. One transparent vessel and you inside the transparent vessel you place a coin. Are you able to see the coin? No, it is not possible to see the coin when inside the glass tumbler. A glass beaker lo meeku ee coin veseste dooram nunchi nee naked eye tho చూడలేవు ఆ coin ni, because it is just lower part touching to the surface of the glass tumbler. So, if you want to see the object from outside, from this point, you are not able to see it. But, if you place some water inside the glass tumbler, transparent glass tumbler, you are able to see the coin. What the reason means? The main reason is, according to Fermat's principle, light travels from one point to another point, takes least possible time to cover the distance. That is called Fermat's principle. What the Fermat's principle says that the light moves from one point to another point, takes a least time to cover the points. So that we call it as Fermat's principle. So here also, when it is traveling, light traveling, for this vessel, how the vessel will be, only air is going to be present. Whereas here, some air particles will be there, some water particles will be there. Air will be there and water will be there. So, here only in air it is passing. So, we cannot be able to see the coin. Here what happens? It is traveling from air to water. Means there will be two medias. So when the light is traveling from one media to another media, what it does means it changes its direction. What it does? It changes to its direction. Just see here. This is air. This is water. So when light comes, so if you just any surface, we should go for a perpendicular. This is called normal. So any ray touches to the surface, what happens means light ray is coming like this. It won't go like this. It just changes the direction. So this changing direction property we call it as refraction. Alright, refraction means when light is changing its speed from one media to another medium, results a change in the direction of light we call it as refraction. Do you understand? So light అనేది ఒక మీడియం నుంచి ఇంకో మీడియంకి ఎంటర్ అయినప్పుడు వాటి యొక్క వెలాసిటీస్ మారుతాయి. సో ఆ స్పీడ్ అనేది మారుతుంది. సో when light changes its speed from one medium to another medium, it just results its change in direction. Direction ని దాన్ని మారుస్తుంది. ఈ డైరెక్షన్ మార్చే విధానాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాము అంటే రిఫ్రాక్షన్ అనేది చెప్పుకుంటాము. ఈ రిఫ్రాక్షన్ లో మనం రెండు థింగ్స్ ని బాగా జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. వాటిని లాస్ ఆఫ్ రిఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటాము. ఫస్ట్ డెఫినేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫస్ట్ లా. డెఫినేషన్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఫస్ట్ లా. సో ఈ రిఫ్రాక్షన్ లో మనము రెండు స్పీడ్లను చూపిస్తున్నాము. ఒక మీడియం యొక్క స్పీడ్ ని v1 అంటున్నాం, రెండవ మీడియం యొక్క స్పీడ్ ని v2 అంటున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ మనం తీసుకున్న మీడియం ఏం తీసుకున్నాం? ఎయిర్. రెండవ మీడియం ఏం తీసుకున్నాము? వాటర్. ఓకే, సో whenever light is incident like this, it just bends like this. This is called normal, is it not? So when light is going to be incident on the surface of air and water separation media, it just showing the direction of the light towards the normal. Here we should consider it as v1 is the speed of the first medium and v2 is the speed of light in the second medium. When does this type of figure occurs means when velocity of first media is greater than velocity of the second media, then you will say that the v1 velocity medium we call it as rarer media. So if light enters from medium 1 to medium 2, not from air to water or water to air, whatever it may be, it has to be entered to two medias having speeds as v1 and v2. Then you have to compare the speeds. If speeds of first medium is v1 and speed of second medium is v2, if v1 is greater than v2, then how the diagram will be? It bends towards the normal. So the v1 medium, how we can say that? It is rarer medium. Again v2, what is the speed? In the second medium we call it as denser medium. Means the speed of light is less compared to the second media. So whenever the light ray comes from rarer media to denser media, automatically how the ray will be deviated means it is towards the normal. Normal ki towards the వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. సో ఇలాంటి ప్రాపర్టీ మీరు గమనించుకోవాలి. ఫస్ట్ మీడియంస్ తెలిసిన తర్వాత వాటి యొక్క స్పీడ్ను కనుక్కోవాలి. స్పీడ్ను కంపేర్ చేసుకొని ఏది ఏ మీడియం అనేది గమనించుకోవాలి. సో ఏ మీడియం అది రెండు స్పీడ్లు v1 v2 అనుకుంటున్నాము. v1 వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉందా, v2 వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉందా? ఇఫ్ v1 వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే అది రేరర్ మీడియం అని, అదే v2 వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే అది కూడా రేరర్ మీడియం కావచ్చు. రెండు రేరర్ మీడియం కావు, ఒకటి రేరర్ మీడియం ఉంటుంది, ఒకటి డెన్సర్ మీడియం ఉంటుంది. కంపేరింగ్ ద స్పీడ్స్, the light enters from which media to which media, we should observe from the figure. ఖచ్చితంగా ఫిగర్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేసి మనం రాయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంటుంది. రెండవ ఫిగర్ మనకు చూపించినట్టు ఎందుకు ఇలానే మనము